What's up, you guys? My name is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are only going to be making our lunch. This week we decided to just keep it simple, yogurt for the week, and probably some fruit. So for lunch, we are going to make a jerk chicken with a white rice and like a black bean pineapple salsa. I'll show you guys all right now. As you all know, I'll have everything listed in the description box. I'll have all the ingredients, where I got it from, all that jazz, so stay tuned. Okay, so here is pretty much all of the ingredients. This week we decided to go with the boil in a bag because your girl is lazy. And also HEB had a coupon, so I got this literally for $1.23. This week HEB has everything 10% off for their, I guess you could say brand days. Everything that's HEB brand, the black beans, you get 10% off. And here's a chicken already defrosted. You just need the cilantro, cebolla, pineapples. I didn't get fresh pineapple, I got this one, but it is in its natural juice, so no worries. Everything here, literally, again, less than $50. We did get some extra stuff, so household things, so it was about under 50. It was like 42, right, babe? 42 bucks for everything, so let's get started. So we want to get 2 cans of black beans. This is enough for 8 servings, which is 4 days for Cassie and I. So you just want to rinse your black beans out before putting them in the salsa, just to make sure they're just completely clean. So that's what I'm going to be doing now, and I will add this to the bowl in just a second. Alright, so the recipe calls for about 1 cup of cilantro, so I'm going to cheat today, y'all. I'm going to use my chopper. So pretty basic, you just put your cilantro in there, kind of fix it on both sides a little bit, you know what I mean, make it look pretty. And then basically you just put the thing on and you let it chop, chop, chop away. So now we got the cilantro all chopped up. Yeah, I know, there's a big piece right here. Let me take that out. Now we got the cilantro chopped up. You need half a cup of red onion. We've got the red onion in here. Same thing, I'm a cheat, so just chop, chop. Alright, so I got to put the black beans, we put the pineapple and the cilantro and the red onions in the bottom. So what you want to do is just mix it all up together. I've made this recipe before, so what I found was best to evenly distribute it is to mix everything first, then put in your seasonings, because last time it's kind of not balanced with the seasoning. So go ahead and mix it all up together, and just a little mix. Then you also want to add your red flakes. You don't have to, we just like everything spicy, so we do it. And it just could be a pinch, so it doesn't need that much. Well, like I said, we like it spicy, so. Alright, you want to add salt. So I know last time, well, I actually know my best friend told me to try the pink salt, the Himalayan one, so we'll do that one this time. And you just want to sprinkle a tad bit on top for taste. Also, you want to do 2 limes, so we'll go ahead and do that. And then once you're done adding the limes, you'll just mix it all together and you'll put it to the side.
Hey guys, so the next step is to beat the chicken, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then you just want to beat it all the way until, you know, that way, look at it, it's pretty thin, so it's easy to cook faster at least. And then you want to marinate it with the Jamaican jerk seasoning.
Nice. Cool. Let's get started. Jakey. Jake. Hi, baby.
Okay guys, so next step, obviously we're not done seasoning the rest of the chicken breast, but I'm going to do this one first so we can show you guys.
It's because our bandeja, you guys, our pan is still messed up, so
We're going to just set it on there, just like that.
One. You could probably add some more seasoning on it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're too thick.
No, it's because it's very dank, you know, like thin seasoning,
yeah.
So it comes off really fast.
You could barely even see it too. Mmm.
Yum, yum, yum.
Alright, while Babe gets the chicken cooking, we are going to get the boil in a bag rice going. That way you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Ain't that right, baby?
Yes.
Yeah, Mero, we're almost done cooking the chicken. Sorry for the noise in the back. We've got the washer going at the same time. The rice is almost done boiling, and we are literally almost done with the chicken. Oh my God, that looks amazing. We've got about
2 more breasts.
2 more breasts. Do that again.
2 more breasts.
And we're almost done. Breastises. Ya merito. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and off camera put the rice base and the chicken and all of the Tupperwares, all of the containers. So now we're gonna add the black bean salsa to it. This has been in the refrigerator this whole time, so it's like really well marinated up in there. So you just need to grab a spoonful and just drop it on top of each. Remember what I always say, you start with a little bit and then you just work your way through. So you'll go ahead and add this to all the chicken. And there you have it, you guys. All the chicken is set with the black bean salsa. Yo, this is so good. I've said this before, but I had made this before a few months ago, and when I say the flavor jumps out, bro, the flavor jumps out. It tastes amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I can tell you one thing, it tastes really good. Alright, you guys, that is it. We are done with today's meal preps. It is 6:54. This is the earliest we've ever finished, but we've only did lunch this week because your girls are not trying to do anything for breakfast, eating yogurt this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I mentioned before, I'll put everything in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. I'm at 50 right now, so I'm like halfway there. I'm so excited. So I will be doing a giveaway once I get to 100. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And thank you for reaching out and always telling me that everything looks good. It literally makes my heart so happy. So I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.